Hello, in this email, I'll be showing you the gift template design. To locate the gift template tab, simply go to Setup, Setup Appointments and Emails, and then select the gift template tab. In here, you'll be able to customize what your gift certificate looks like when it's printed or emailed. That can be in store or online. So, there are two ways to purchase a gift certificate. One is through the checkout screen. And then once you complete the sale on the receipt, there is an option to email the gift certificate or to print the gift certificate. So those are two options. You also have the option to sell a gift card, but that would not require a printout or an email. It's just the card that you would hand over. And then down here, also on the online booking page, there is an option to purchase an e-gift, and that would allow your clients to purchase a gift certificate online. There are preferences for that would require integrated credit card processing setup, and then under the online booking, you'd have to have your online gifts enabled here, and then this is the URL to purchase them. So it's just back one tab. But to design your template, you can use this toolbar up here and you're able to customize what your template looks like. You can copy paste a logo or photo into here, and then you can put in information like who your gift is to, the gift message, the purchase date, the gift number, gift amount, who it's from. And to plug in this information, for example, let me take out gift recipient and I'll show you how this gets plugged in. You go to your merge field and you can select gift recipient and it will plug right in there. If you do not want it to be bold, you just highlight it and deselect the bold. And you can customize what this looks like in there. And then if you'd like to send yourself a test of what this email looks like, simply put in your email address and click send test. And that is how you customize your gift template. Thank you for watching and have a great day.